Hi, my name is Stefanie. I am a 6'2" manifester, in case you know human design. And together with my friend Kari, we will do a 30 days challenge, inspirational reflections on the same topic. Each of us will have the same topic, and without knowing what the other one will say, we record our own videos, and in the end, we put it all together. And I guess we call it Ying Yang Reflections because me being female, but also a manifester. And a manifester brings a lot of practical male can do, will do attitude with it. And Kari is a reflector and he's a man, but the reflector is very sensitive, more into feeling, more into philosophical, actually just a very female energy. So both of us are already kind of yin yang because like me being female with a male energy and he being male with a female energy. And the reflections, they will be so completely opposite, even so we reflect on the same topic. And I think this will help changing perspectives, because seeing one thing from two very different perspectives, and maybe with all that you will find your own perspective, a third one to reflect on the same topic. And we're very excited about the next 30 days. We're going to post every day a video, and yeah, let's get this journey started. Have fun and aho.
Hello, my name is Kari. I am a 5-1 reflector. I'm a creative, artistic person with everything, not only with being artful, seeing art in everything, and trying to explain that, to bring that forward, outward. So we are starting a 1 month of daily reflection. We are going to address topics that we both are going to give our personal reflection on, and then bring them together in one video, so you can see how perception can differ, what it can add to each other, and how a viewpoint on something is never fully fixed. It's open, it's free to fill in however you feel. So feel into it, and I hope you enjoy. So let's take this journey together. 1 month, just reflecting on things that may or may not be the most common thing to reflect on. So I wish you all a fine journey ahead, and let's reflect on this in about 30 days. Ciao.